Learn French online. From basic to advanced level. Complete your school syllabus. Improve your pronunciation. Get all your doubts clarified and understand all grammatical concepts in a very simple and easy way. Affordable fee and preferred timings. For more information, please send your queries on the number given below, or you can mail it at frenchlessonsbyindu@gmail.com. Welcome back to your French class. In this class, we'll learn passé composé à la forme négative. We will learn how to negate sentences of passé composé. If you want to learn how to negate passé composé in simple form, please go to the above given link. As we know, le passé composé is the simple past tense, or you can say present perfect tense, which is used to express something that has been completed in the past, or something that was done in a certain amount of time. And before we start, just have a look at the formation of passé composé. We have two cases here, être and avoir. First of all, we write the subject, then comes the auxiliary verb. Être or avoir will choose these verbs according to the action. Then comes the past participle of the main action. Okay, the action we are going to talk about in our sentence. Now, here we have got some sentences to put in negative. Mettez les verbes entre parenthèses au passé composé à la forme négative. So let's start with the first sentence. Here, in the first sentence, we have been given the verb aimer to conjugate in passé composé. So, it will be Ma sœur a aimé le fromage. Aimer verb is conjugated with avoir. So, we'll take the conjugation accordingly. Ma sœur a aimé. Aimer is the past participle of the given verb. After writing the simple sentence, we just need to add ne before the auxiliary verb. Here, we have taken avoir as the auxiliary verb. So we'll write ne before the conjugation of avoir and pas after the conjugation of avoir. So the sentence is Ma sœur n'a pas aimé le fromage, which means my sister did not like cheese. Now let's take the second example. First, we have written the simple sentence in passé composé using the verb remplir. And the verb doesn't belong to être verb category, so we'll conjugate it with avoir. La bonne a rempli les verres. Now, while changing this sentence into negative form, we just need to write ne before the conjugation of auxiliary verb avoir, and we'll write pas after the conjugated form of avoir. Now, the sentence is La bonne n'a pas rempli les verres. The maid did not fill the glasses. Earlier, la bonne a rempli les verres means the maid filled the glasses. Now, example number 3. Now, the next one is, in this sentence, we have défendre verb to conjugate in passé composé. Again, this verb doesn't belong to the special category of être, so we'll conjugate this verb with avoir. L'avocat a défendu son client, which means the lawyer defended his client. Now, for changing this sentence in negation, we need to write ne before the conjugation of avoir and pas after the conjugation of avoir. L'avocat n'a pas défendu son client means the lawyer did not defend his client. Now comes the next sentence where we have been given aller verb to conjugate. And aller belongs to those special verbs which are put in the être category. So, we'll conjugate aller with third person singular. Now the sentence is Alex est allé dans son bureau, which means Alex went to his office. Now we'll use ne and pas with auxiliary verb être. Alex n'est pas allé dans son bureau, which means Alex did not go to his office. Now, in the next sentence, we have been given the verb apprécier. So, we'll conjugate it with avoir. And l'invité is third person singular, so we'll conjugate it accordingly. L'invité a apprécié le plat épicé. Means the guest or the invitee enjoyed the spicy dish. Now we'll change this statement in negative form using ne and pas before and after the auxiliary verb. L'invité n'a pas apprécié le plat épicé. Means the guest did not appreciate the spicy dish. Now in the next sentence, we have choisir verb to conjugate in passé composé. Again, choisir verb is conjugated with avoir. So, Adia is third person singular. We'll conjugate it accordingly. So, it will be Adia a choisi sa robe. Means Adia chose her dress. Now, we'll write this sentence in negative form. And it will be Adia n'a pas choisi sa robe. Means Adia did not choose her dress. Now, in the next sentence, we have the verb finir to conjugate. Ses élèves is third person plural, so we'll take the conjugation of avoir according to that. Ses élèves ont fini cet exercice. These students finished that exercise. Now let's change it in the negative form using ne and pas. Ces élèves n'ont pas fini cet exercice. These students did not finish that exercise. Now, in the next sentence, we have the verb prendre, which means to take, which will be conjugated with avoir. Tu as pris de la salade. You had some salad. Now, we'll change it in negative form. So, it will be tu n'as pas pris de salade. Means you did not have salad. Now, whenever you are having article partitif written in your sentence, like here we have got de la, you need to change in the. Now here in the next example, we have the verb regarder. We'll conjugate the helping verb avoir with vous. Vous avez regardé la télévision? You watched the television. Now let's change it in negative form using ne and pas with the auxiliary verb. Vous n'avez pas regardé la télévision. You did not watch television. Now here we have got a pronominal verb to conjugate in passé composé. So, pronominal verbs are always conjugated with être. Il s'est essuyé avec une nouvelle serviette. We have written se before the auxiliary verb être. Now let's see how to use it in negation. Il ne s'est pas essuyé avec une nouvelle serviette, which means he did not wipe himself with a new towel. Now you can see we have attached se with être in the simple sentence. So it will remain with this verb now in negation also. So we'll write il ne s'est pas essuyé avec une nouvelle serviette. To understand passé composé in detail, please go to the above given link. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.